Hi there, just wanted to show you my install of the Kleinn GMTRK air horn kit. As you can see here, it mounts right into where your auxiliary battery tray goes, and you got your compressor, your tank, the relay set up there. Ran the power line over and across. Came with a nice fuse holder there. All the wiring. I'll go ahead and try to get up underneath here and show you a shot of the actual horns themselves. Hopefully you'll be able to see here. They mount right up real close to the bumper. Actually a really nice design. Alright, get back up here and I'll show you the installation on the button here. The button that comes with it was a little bit too big for me, so I routed one in here into the spot. As you can see, they got a nice sound to them. Really like the kit.